Hey y'all, so this review is all for the cat mamas out there, the fur baby mamas. We decided that we wanted to start taking our kitty cat outside. So we were super happy to get this cat house right here from Vevor, the company, Vevor, Vevor. It had a lot of pieces and parts to it, I will be honest, but everything was labeled great and it had all the screws that you needed to put together. We just used our drill to make it a little bit more quicker. But like I said, everything was labeled, so we laid out all the parts, and we went to getting it assembled. My dad did help me with it, which was great, and my husband joined in on the fun a little bit later. So us three, we got it knocked out in about 30 minutes. Everything went together like it should. It has all these little doors on it. And then it has these little shelves that you can put up on the side too. So there's different levels that the cat can play in, which is really cool. So it is like this nice gray type finish. So it looks kind of weathered, even though it's very structurally stable. And it's just really cute to look at. And it even has a floor in it, which also looks just like the wood. It has this little box right here so the cat can get in it and, hide like little cats like to do. They like to get in little tight spots. They did come with wheels. Each wheel had a lock on it, which was great. So, we get it somewhere and it won't move around. But you did have to thread the wheels into the wood. So just be mindful of that. It was a little bit tricky to get them in, but with, a little wrench, and we got it right in. And then so it has the big door that you can open to get the cat in on the top and the bottom. And it latches right there. Or you can use the little slide up and down doors right here. So you can lift it up and just lock that little hook in and leave it open for the cat to come and go as they please, like you see there. Or you can, put the cat in there and lock them in there so they can't get out. Our cat, we don't leave outside all the time, so we wanted a place for her to get in and be safe from the dogs that come and go around our property. So when Vevor contacted me and asked me to get this product for free in exchange for our honest and unbiased review, I was super happy to get it and to try it. And this is little Snickers going in, and she absolutely loved it. We did throw a few balls in with her so she could play. And before we knew it, she was taking yet another one of her cat naps on one of the shelves. She hasn't got in the box yet, but she's not a cat that really likes to hide. So, but she did love it. She was right outside with us. We had the fan on her, so she was nice and cool, and she felt like she was right there with the family. The wheels do roll really well, which is great, so you can wheel it out. In our case, we have a shop, so we take it in and out of the shop over to the gravel area or over to the grass, so it wheels really well. I wish it would break down easily so we could take it like on trips, but overall, wonderful purchase. We would definitely recommend it, so thumbs up from us.